Let's grow some food, herbs, and lettuce in my cold, dark basement this winter. No windows. Let's go. This is the base of the Aspara Stylist Smart Grower. So we put that down and we're gonna start building the walls. Snaps in, super easy. And then we're just gonna snake the cable up this one wall here. Okay, it'll come out the top. Boom, snaps in, you know you got it. Then we're gonna place the top on. We're gonna plug in the USB. And we're in business. It's that simple. Then you just put on the main base, like that. We're gonna fill the base up with water. And now you're almost set to start growing. So the first step to growing is germinating the seeds. So let's just make some room here. We're gonna take this and just pop it down for now. We're gonna go with the herbs. So first we're gonna wanna put some water in the germination chamber, we'll call it. We're gonna pop, tap back on. Now we're gonna take some of these seed pods and put them in. Okay, so once you've got your seed pods planted in the germination chamber here, you're gonna cover her up, put it aside, set it up on your app, just log in, let it know you started the germination, and it's gonna notify you when it's time to transfer it to the main chamber, which is this beautiful unit. Super easy to build, as you saw. So in a few days, we're gonna transfer the seed pods into this main unit here, and then it's gonna take a few weeks to grow, and it's gonna be flourishing with herbs. Check back in a little while, and stay tuned. Welcome back, folks, and wow, wow, wow. Look at these beautiful herbs that I grew right here in my basement with no windows in the dead of winter. You too can have farm-to-table leafy greens, herbs, and tomatoes, and automate it all. Let me show you how. This is the Aspara Stylist Lite Smart Grower. It's a hydroponic system that lets you grow year-round, indoors, over 25 different selections. It controls the intensity and the light spectrum, and it also has water circulation to always be providing fresh water. You just put a little plant food in there, and that's pretty much all you need to do. There's a companion app to give you all the notifications and information you need to grow like a master. So let's dive into this and see how Aspara works. So when you want to grow veggies like this, produce like this, you need to probably do the traditional way, which is soil farming. So you need space. It's going to be outdoors, so you're dependent on the weather and the seasons. And then you also need to do pest control, and you need to use a lot of water. And you gotta have experience doing all of that, or else it's just gonna probably be a waste of time. So Aspara, with the hydroponic system, gets rid of all the hassle and complexities and really simplifies the whole process to help you grow. So let's take a look at this unit. Off the bat, it's a pretty aesthetically appealing product. It looks good on the countertop. It'll look good in any kitchen or living room space. In terms of weight, fully loaded with plants and water, it's very light. It's very light. So it's a good quality material. It feels strong. It doesn't feel cheaply made or anything like that. The lights inside, they're nice. There's different modes, so check it out at night and it's gonna give you like a cool ambiance in your room. So as you see, my plants are already getting pretty tall. I mean, I'm practically at capacity here in terms of height. I'm hitting the ceiling with this leaf here. So as an add-on, they sell these extension walls, so that way you can raise the wall of this and have more height to grow your plants in. Building this unit it was a really quick and easy process. All you do is you start with the base, you snake this cable up through the wall right here, and then you just snap on the top and plug it into the wall. Fill up this tank with water, put a little plant food in the water, and then pop in the 8 pods that you want from your seed kit. And then you're gonna pair it with the app, tell it what you're planting, and it's gonna keep track of everything, and it's gonna notify you when it's time to add more water, time to add more plant food, time to harvest your herbs, lettuces, tomatoes. So it makes it really easy to do all of it. So if you're enjoying this video and you're finding it helpful, make sure you subscribe now so we can monetize this channel and get to 1,000 subscribers so I can keep bringing you more great content and showing you awesome, cool products. So these are the seed kits. There's over 25 varieties of seed kits that you can get. The most popular ones are lettuce, sweet basil, cherry tomatoes, selection of herbs, and butterhead salad. They're gonna come usually with 8 pods in a box, so it's a pretty good value. They're gonna range depending on the seed kit, that it's gonna be from $20 up to $35. Some of them are even $40 for like edible flowers. So with 8 of them, the value kind of makes sense. You know, if I were to go to buy a bushel of something and, you know, at the grocery store, it's probably more or less the same at that point. But you're getting farm to table right here in your home, automated, good stuff. So when you get this, you're gonna open it up and you're gonna see that there's a bunch of packets of plant food in addition to the pods. So these are what the pods look like. It looks like it's soil, but it's probably some sort of compound material, something organic. So those are the pods with the seed in it. This is the nutrient food that you just put right into the water. And these are the seed kits. So you can go on a subscription and have them constantly reordered and coming to your house, or you can go on there and a la carte, select which ones you want, and that's it. And what's cool about the seeds is that they're all locally sourced from the US, supporting local growers. So you want to support something like that, right? Now, when it comes to thinking about what's the advantage of this besides simplifying the growing process, well, this actually speeds up the growing process. So even if you're already you got the green thumb and you're a master, well, this just accelerates the process for you. Not just, it doesn't take away from the whole process, it accelerates you. So if you were gonna do the lettuce, soil planted, typically it would take about 45 days to grow. When you do it the hydroponic style in the Aspara, that same lettuce seed can grow in about 28 days, which is close to twice as fast. Most seed kits on average are going to grow about 50% faster than soil planting. So that's the advantage of hydroponic with controlled lighting, consistent lighting, and constant water control, and have it all automated and optimal for that plant. So what the cherry tomatoes need is different from the lettuce. And so this is gonna give it the proper light spectrum at the proper intensity for the proper duration, and water it. So that's the benefit of using something like this. It takes all of the mental math of growing food and plants and just makes it too easy. Look at what I grew here. I really can't do this without something like the Aspara. So, the grand question, well, how does it taste? I haven't eaten any yet, but I'm gonna right now. Let's take a sniff first. Oh, wow. Wow, the basil. Wow, that's some of the best basil I've ever smelled. It's so fresh, so basil-y. Okay, I have to rip off a leaf and give it a chew here. This is a monster leaf right here, herbivore style, going in. I can make a lettuce wrap with this, look at that. That's a fresh basil right there. I'm gonna make a nice pesto with this. It's not gonna be a lot of pesto, but it's gonna be a nice pesto. So how much does this cost? It's $209. You can get it from growgreen.com. Link will be in the description. You can buy it from Amazon, HSN, QVC, multiple retailers. It's available. So check it out, and they also have like a stackable design. So if you get 2 units, you can have them stacked on top of each other. So that's pretty cool. You can build a whole wall of these if you wanted to. So thanks for watching. Check it out. It's the Aspara Stylist Lite Smart Grower. Thanks for watching Show and Tell. We'll see you next time. Let's go.